Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anjana, mother to a 2-year-old Ira, somebody who is enjoying motherhood, but it did not always seem so enjoyable. I talk about my experiences as a new mother and I want to bring it out to a community of moms, parents, new moms. One of the topic that I was completely unaware of, and now that I know a little bit more about it, I wanted to bring it up and talk about it. Mat leave, the maternity leave, and the myths around it. A lot of stuff that I did not understand as a new mother. Let me tell you a funny story first. I have two friends जिनके बच्चे ईरा से कुछ महीने बड़े हैं, तो they became new mums before me, but they were as new as I am almost. क्योंकि सिर्फ कुछ months का gap है. And I was in my 37th week of pregnancy. And I remember talking to them on a phone and saying,
Guys, I can't wait to go on mat leave.
And they said, no, no, you don't want it. And I was like, why? Whatever they said did not make sense then unless I became a mother myself. So here is an exhaustive list of all the maternity leave myths. Number one, mat leave is not a vacation. It is, in fact, far from a vacation. It's the most emotionally, physically demanding phase of a woman's life. You are healing, you're transforming, you're feeding, you're surviving, you have like the highest amount of responsibilities in your entire life. You are literally the reason why a tiny one would survive. I am not scaring you, I'm just telling you the truth. It is the fact. Mat leave is far from a vacation. Number two, you won't miss work. मेरे को लगता था bye bye work.
Bye, colleagues. Handover done.
Believe it or not, I did miss work. There was a time where I felt like enough of like motherhood duties. Can I just go write an email, talk to adults, be in a client meeting? And I never ever thought I would feel like that, but I did. As much as I love being a mom today, that initial phase बहुत बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, बहुत टायरिंग होता है और अचानक से लगने लगता है कि वो जो 4 डिफ़िकल्ट क्लाइंट्स थे दे वर ईजियर देन अ बेबी हु इज़ सिक or a baby who is crying for hours and we don't know what to do. You do miss your work because your work reminds you of your old life. Another myth, you will relax a lot. You can relax in mat leave. I think that's the least you will relax in your life. I don't mean to say in a negative way. The fact is that आप as a mum आप स्ट्रेस लोगे, आप वरी करोगे क्योंकि आपका बेबी आ चुका है दुनिया में. आप नए तरीके के स्ट्रेसेस लोगे और अचानक से यू विल रियलाइज all the stresses you have taken so far was nothing compared to like bringing up a tiny little human being. So it's far from relaxed. Another myth, and maybe it was just me, or tell me if you thought this as well. I thought, wow, 1 year. Some people take 3 months, some people take 6 months. I took 1 year. That's normal in the UK. मेरे को लगा 1 साल, that's enough time. Guys, the more mat leave like progressed, it felt shorter and shorter because पहली बार मैं चीज़ों को महीनों से या दिन से नहीं गिन रही थी. मेरा यूनिट्स बदल गया था. My unit was how old is Ira. I always thought भाई 3 months की हो गई.
Oh God, 6 months की हो गई. 6 months more. Oh God, 2 महीने में इसका पहला बर्थडे है.
और उसका फर्स्ट बर्थडे के बारे में मैं जितना सोचती थी उतना मैं सोचती थी ओ गॉड मैट लीव ख़त्म हो जाएगा and I'll have to go back to work. Now you might think it's a bit contradicting, right? I miss work, so why would I not want to go back to work? Yes, I would. That brings me to the next point कि अचानक से returning to work will not feel like a normal thing because you're realizing you have a child that needs to be good enough to go to a daycare or you need to find a good enough nanny. आप बस अब काम नहीं जा सकते. आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. एक दुनिया में आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नाम की चीज़ आ चुकी है बच्चे के नाम पे. आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट ईरा हैज़ सेटल्ड इन द नर्सरी. ईरा इतनी रेडी हो गई है कि वो नर्सरी में रह सके. बच्चा माँ के बिना रहने वाला है. So it feels very, very difficult to like progress to that phase. And the more I thought of returning, it would worry me a little bit कि मैं कैसे, how will I do this? How will this happen? Because it was very like unpredictable, unknown territories and go into a lot of unknown territories in that mat leave phase. Another myth I want to talk about is you cannot be made redundant. You cannot lose your job. मैं हूँ example. I lost my job. I lost my job 1 month before returning to mat leave. I was brought into an HR call and asked to leave. It is possible that you can lose your job. I'm not scaring you. I just want you to know that these are myths. If the company's structure has changed, if they don't need you, they will let you go. It's a myth that people can't be asked to leave. Next myth is just all about joyful bonding. It is about bonding, but know that mat leave has a lot other things going on. Like I say all the time in all my videos, you are healing, you are adjusting. It's like metamorphosis for a mom. You are evolving as a new person. You are learning to love your new self and doing all of this while caring for a baby. There is not just joyful bonding, there's a lot more stuff happening. You are also trying to like put your baby away and do house chores. That's not bonding. That's like living adulthood or doing adulthood stuff. And why mat leave suffers from this? Because men don't get a pat leave of, paternity leaves. Some companies give pretty decent paternity leave, but only some companies. Shashank had 2 weeks of pat leave, which is like nothing in a child's first year, right? So daddies have to go, they have to work, they have to earn money. आप रह जाते हो बच्चे के साथ. And trust me, it's not just about bonding. You're learning how to like cook with one hand. You're learning how to work around the house with literally holding a baby.
You're literally putting your baby and you're constantly thinking, ये कर लूँ या वो कर लूँ या ये खत्म कर लेती हूँ वो खत्म कर लेती हूँ.
और आप रात को सो भी नहीं रहे हो और आप फीड भी कर रहे हो, आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो. मैट लीव के पहले मैं सोचती थी 1 साल में क्या क्या डीक्लटर कर लूँगी मैं, क्योंकि मुझे डीक्लटरिंग का कीड़ा है. आई कांट कीप क्लटर इन माई हाउस, आई हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ स्टफ. It's funny, you don't do any personal projects. All the personal projects you thought. My advice is, mat leave mein don't do it. Don't even think of picking up a personal project. This 1 year or this 6 months of your life needs you to be doing minimum basic for life or survival and focusing on child and your own healing. जहाँ तक कि डी क्लटरिंग की बात है, मैंने जो डी क्लटर करके भी रखा था वो भी क्लटर बन गया, बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव अ सिस्टम ऑफ मेंटेनेंस. सो येस, मैट लीव इज नॉट अबाउट पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स. अनदर थिंग आई थॉट अबाउट मैट लीव वॉज 1 साल प्रेडिक्टेबल फेजेस. पहले बच्चा होगा,
3 महीने में उसके सारे वैक्सीनेशन हो जाएंगे. 6 मंथ तक शायद वो क्रॉल करेगा. 8 मंथ पे चलना शुरू करेगा.
10 मंथ पे हम लोग नोप. None of these phases are predictable. Even though you try and divide it into predictable phases, the only thing you know is you are on mat leave for certain and certain time. The dad is on pat leave for certain and certain time. बाकी सब अपने हिसाब से होता है. So it is not predictable. In my experience, predictability came to me just a little bit after or end of mat leave. When I had formed a routine around the baby, I had evolved as a mother a little bit. So I'm not saying your life is going to be unpredictable if you become a mom, but हाँ, थोड़ा time लगता है और initially तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आता है. This one is important. I always thought कि ठीक है 1 साल के बाद I'll be ready to leave for work. That doesn't happen so quickly or so easily in your head. I know what new moms go through because I have gone through. आप constantly सोच रहे होते हो आपका बच्चा कहाँ जाएगा, अगर नर्सरी जाएगा या डे केयर जाएगा, will they learn to settle without you? क्या आप ऑफिस में concentrate कर पाएंगे? कैसे आप how will you work with colleagues again and adults again जब आपका जिगर का टुकड़ा will be somewhere else? I felt like, will I be confident enough? Will I have to catch up too much? Like by the end of mat leave, these thoughts started coming to me. Of course, I was made redundant and my situation changed quite a lot. So you feel initially ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ mat leave ख़त्म करके I have to join work. इतना simple linear thought था मेरा. But that's not what happens in mat leave. You are preparing yourself to go back to work, I think, throughout the mat leave. You are constantly teaching your child to like live without you for hours, few hours. You start with little ones, like little phases, then you grow it. Hardest was daycare settling. Another myth, in fact myth nahi, it's a thing that a lot of people don't realize. Maternity leave actually makes mums a little bit lonely. शुरू में तो सब लोग होते हैं, बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस होता है, बहुत विजिट होता है, उसके बाद डैड होता है फ्रॉम पैटर्निटी लीव, बट एवरीथिंग सीम्स टू लीव. लाइक लोग कम फ़ोन कर रहे हैं, लोग कम विजिट कर रहे हैं, दैट न्यूनेस इज़ गॉन, इट्स नॉर्मल. The dad has gone back to work. So there will be a time when it hits, the loneliness hits, you are with the baby. And even though baby is enough for you sometimes, but sometimes you need some adult companionship. But the positive side is that when you hit the world and you're back into the adult world, when you like settle a little bit, it feels great. Another thing I always assumed was working in pregnancy was so tiring. Like, why am I taking this meeting? I'm so tired. It compares nothing to having a baby, no sleep, and doing like all the chores in the house. It doesn't matter how tired you are, or still feeding your baby, or still like showing up even though you haven't slept all night. That hits very different. So I had this myth कि भाई बॉसेस की तो नहीं सुन रही होंगी, कोई मुझे क्लाइंट तो नहीं बता रहा होगा क्या करना है, घर के चोर्स तो मैं कर ही लूँगी, एटलीस्ट somebody is not. No, when you are tired at that level, you rather be sitting on your computer and talking to adults. That requires much less effort than just doing laundry, diapers, all of that. And क्योंकि आप एक बच्चा जब पैदा होता है तो उसकी ज़रूरतें ज़्यादा होती है, फिर वो धीरे धीरे इंडिपेंडेंट होता है तो वो ईजी भी हो जाता है, राइट? और आप भी थोड़े कंडीशन हो जाते हो, लेकिन शुरू में मैट लीव में वो एक्चुअली आपको फील होता है दैट अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क, दैट टायर्डनेस, क्योंकि आपका बॉडी भी फुल्ली अडेप्टेबल नहीं होता है टू दैट. Your body is also learning. The whole purpose of telling you about all these myths is that I went into maternity leave thinking about it as a dreamy off. Not even dreamy off. I thought, theek hai, at least I don't have to go to work. I think there is a lot more awareness to it, and there's lots more angles to it. Just that unless people tell you, you might not realize. Maybe you're somebody who knows it already, or maybe you're somebody who's pregnant and approaching mat leave soon, or you are new, you are in mat leave right now and watching my video, or you're somebody who's gone through it. Maybe all of you guys relate to it. But as a mom, I wanted to say that mat leave is one of the most difficult leave you will take from work. Do not want to discourage moms there. From the other side, बेटी आज 2 साल 5 महीने की हो गई है. It gets better. mat leave आपको टेस्ट करता है, but वो आपको बहुत strong बनाता है. You get better at parenting, you get better at becoming a mom. And yes, if you're doing it, if you're in it right now, I want to say you're doing a great job. This is all I wanted to say today in my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.